This is a holiday season classic, pigs in blankets. Fire up your Ooni pizza oven. Aim for 350 degrees Celsius or 662 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cast iron sizzler or skillet pan inside the oven to warm up. Wrap half a rasher of streaky bacon around each mini sausage, keeping the top and bottom of the sausage exposed. Repeat this step for all 12 sausages. Remove your preheated pan and add your sausage and bacon wraps. Return the pan to the oven and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the sausage and bacon begins to brown. Flip the sausages over and cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes until brown and crispy on both sides and fully cooked through the middle. Remove and serve right away. If you have leftovers, try our Pigs in Blankets pizza for the ultimate festive pie at Ooni.com.